Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the new Falcon F4 joystick. We will see how to work with it and what option do this joystick gives us. So the Falcon 4 is a gaming controller or joystick as you want to call. You can see the package is very simple. In the back we have some instruction how it will look. And we will see more in the user manual. We have short distance and easy click, turbo method, plug and play, customizable buttons and other things. In the side again we have a couple of information, and that's basically it what we have in the box. Inside we will see a very good package. We have the Falcon for itself, and we will have the user manual underneath, as well as 1C type charging cable, the user manual which it shows you what type of modes do they have. This user manual is in Chinese and English. We have the Falcon itself. You can see the Falcon, it can collapse it in itself, and you can put it back in the position where you put your phone in. At the top we have left, right and the turbo buttons, and when you pull this down to power it, to put the phone on, it powers itself on, which is a very good thing. So let's go ahead and see how it will look by playing some PUBG Mobile. This is one of my favorite game. You can see when you click the buttons, the LED at the top shows powers on, and in that case you know which mode you are. So we have three modes. We have the basic one, first level 1, it shoots 1 bullet. At the 2 it shoots 2 bullets, and 3 it will shoot continuously, which is the mode that I am right now. So you can see right here how well it shoots, and you can control it very good just by holding the button it will shoot continuously, and the screen is free for you to move your fingers, so it's very good to play with this controller. You can see the scope as well, or the zoom, whatever you want to call it. It clicks very good, and you can change the controls. For example, if you want to shoot with the left one, you can put it in the left position. I prefer to shoot with the right button, so here I am. So let's give it a try. As you can see, this is the first method. The second method, orange, it shoots a little bit, and the third is the green one, it shoots better, and this is the fourth method. When it shuts the color is the method that it shoots continuously. So we have here a couple of methods, but again I prefer the method that it shoots continuously. It's way better. So you can see you can change the turbo method you have in the scope as well, so you are not stuck with just one button that it has turbo method, and it has these options. So this is basically the Falcon 4. You can see these are some of my kills that I did while I was using the Falcon, and you can see how well this works. The scope works perfect, and it's very slim, easy to use, very easy to put it on and put it back off. So I would highly recommend you, if you are interested on buying joystick or game controller, however you want to call it, I would recommend the Falcon F4. It's not that the price is not that high, and it's very easy to use it and play with it. I honestly had a lot of fun using this. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.